Hi, this is Charlene and welcome to the Diva Bar. Today I'm going to tell you about the second of 3 different business kits that you have the option of choosing once you sign up to become a SeneGence distributor. Once you've paid your $55, you'll get the choice of these 3 different kits, and today I'm sharing with you the second kit, which is the significant Seller kit. In it, there's a 750 PV qualifying order and some other really awesome goodies that you're going to love. So let's check it out. It's going to show up in 2 different boxes to your house, and the first box has that 750 PV qualifying order, and that's everything on this side of the table. Inside, you're going to get a tinted moisturizer and 7 different shades of foundation, some of them in the original formula and some in the advanced anti-aging formula. So you can immediately get out and start color matching for your friends, your family, your customers, or you can sell them if you have customers who already know what they want because they're regular retail size foundation shades, which is awesome. So that's really fantastic. You're also going to get Fuchs Color Cosmetic Removing Wipes, a powder, 2 different shades of concealer, 2 different shades of blush, a lip scrub, 2 tubes of our lash scents with underscents, that's our mascara and our lash builder in the double-ended tube, and 2 different brow scents shades, which is our liquid brow liner. In addition, you're also going to get 8 different shades of shadow sets, that's our eyeshadow, and 15 different tubes of lip scents. And again, these are tubes, all of these are things that you can immediately start to sell, or you could use them as testers or for your personal use, whatever you want as you start to build your business. In addition to the 15 shades of lip scents, you're also going to get 10 tubes of Glossy Gloss and 4 different tubes of Oops Remover. So lots of things in the 750 PV order. Now, with the 750 PV order, if you were just going to get that by yourself, you would get the 50% off the retail and you would get free shipping. But when you order the significant Seller kit, you're actually going to get so much more than just that order. With it, you're also going to get the lips kit, and that comes in this gorgeous box, and inside is our trademark blue crocodile SeneGence portfolio, which is a zipper portfolio. It has zipper pockets where you can put in your product, your testers, your customer receipts and information so you can have your business on the go. You also are getting the Distributor Glamour demo guide that teaches you about how to build your business and start, shows you how to conduct glamour demos with your friends, your family, your customers, so that you can immediately get started. You're also getting beauty books so you can share those and get our catalog into the hands of, again, friends, family, and customers immediately as you're getting started. And you're also getting receipts, applicators for lip scents, samples of Glossy Gloss that you can share, and of course the lips kit lip scents, which is 6 tubes of tester sized tubes of lip scents, which are really convenient. You have the option of choosing either the bold or the neutral set, and you're also getting another tube of Glossy Gloss and an Oops Remover, so you can immediately start to share the products, get your stripes on, and start wowing everybody that you meet. So the lips kit is really fantastic too, and again, that comes in the significant Seller kit. Now, the last part of this is actually this fantastic thing right here, which is your distributor planner. This beautiful planner immediately helps you get started off on the right foot with, aren't these stickers cute, with some really great information about your business, why you want to be in business, what your goals are, what you want to do, and gives you some coaching tips as well in terms of conversation, for sharing product, for planning out parties, everything that you're going to need to know. And of course, you've got a full calendar where you can schedule everything week to week. You've got awesome month-to-month planning that will really help get you set on your business and help you to project your goals, figure out where you want to be, and then make a plan in order to do it. In addition to the planner, you're also getting 6 months of the SeneSite. That's the business website that you get through SeneGence, where your friends and your family and your customers can immediately go to order product. And you're also getting 6 months of the SeneBiz app, and that app is amazing. It comes with pictures, video files, all kinds of different information that's not only for you and helping you build your business and learn about products, but also things that you can share directly with your friends and customers via email or text message. And you can also use it for promotion on social media for your business as well. So lots of different ways to use the SeneBiz app. And again, you get 6 months of both the SeneBiz app and the SeneSite as included with the Significant SeneSeller Kit. So the Significant SeneSeller Kit is also great because it gets you started on the path of becoming a significant SeneSeller. What that means is that if you have a 750 PV order for 3 months in a row, you will actually earn not only that 50% discount, you'll also get free shipping and handling on your orders, you'll get special recognition on your site, and you'll get a featured product every month as well, included with your order. So that also helps you to build your inventory. And of course, if you're doing 750 PV a month, that also sets you on the path for becoming qualified for the fast start, so that when you hit 1,000 PV, you actually get another $350 in free product. And then you have an opportunity to do that 2 more times within the next 30 days and the 30 days after that to earn even more free product after that, $400 and then $450. So this Significant SeneSeller Kit gets you off onto a great start immediately for helping you to build your business. Now, the Significant SeneSeller Kit is $795, but that's giving you so much value for your money. You're not only getting the 750 PV order, you're also getting essentially $1,500 worth of not only product, but testers and business building support and everything you're going to need, and that amazing tech bundle as well, so that you can immediately jump in and get started with your business. Now, if you're looking for a coach or a mentor or a team to join, I would love to support you in that venture. I've been a distributor for 5 years now. I've loved every minute of it, and I know the ins and outs of this business and what it takes to be successful, and it would be my honor and privilege to help guide you and show you the way. If you're interested in joining my team, the Kiss This Girls, all you have to do is go to SeneGence.com, click on Become a Distributor, and when it asks for it, enter my distributor number, which is 169167, and I would be happy to help you and coach you through the process. And after you join, I can get you started in helping you build your SeneGence business. It's been a pleasure sharing this Significant SeneSeller Kit with you today, and I wish you luck in starting your business and hope that you'll come join us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can find all my contact information in the description below this video, and I'd be more than happy to talk you through anything that you need to know or answer any questions and help you get started. I'm so glad you stopped by the Diva Bar today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.